Hi everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the brightness of a video in Davinci Resolve. So as you can see, I already imported a clip here on my timeline, and if I want to adjust the brightness of this clip, so if I want to adjust it to like dim a little bit or like move the brightness up a little bit, here's how you can do it. So first, go to this tab, the color section or the color tab, click on it, and then here you just need to click this one, color wheels. So if you click the color wheels, you'll see these options, and you'll see this one. It's actually it shows this is actually a shadow for the shadow settings. So what you can do, if you want to increase the brightness of your video, you just need to click it and drag it to the right, so that the value will increase, or the shadow or the brightness will increase. So let's check. Let's increase it to like 40 or 50, something like that, and then check it on the edit. Yes, you'll see that the brightness of the clip was already adjusted or increased. So if you want to decrease it, all you need to do is click on the shadow settings or on the shadow box, then move or drag your mouse to the left to negative. Let's check it. See that the shadow or the brightness was already decreased. So let's just decrease this a little bit more. Let's see how it looks. So that's how you increase or decrease the brightness of a video in DaVinci Resolve. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.